evening. I am here with your reading for the, the year of 2021. And this is for Aquarius, the air sign, for sun sign, moon sign, and the ascendant. That means your lagna. So if you are aware what your lagna is or your ascendant is, then you can check. You can check 3 sign videos in case they are different. It will give you a deeper understanding. Of course, I will be putting up videos every month. But here it is not going to be different for health and different for relationship and finance as I usually do. I will just I will just shuffle, and whatever falls out is going to be the guidance for you. There you are. And nice. Okay, so I'll pick the angel card later. So, 7 of emotion coming reversed is actually a good thing, because it means that your confusions are going to be sorted. And if there are a lot of people hovering around you and you're single, and your confusion will be sorted. You will know exactly who is the right one for you. And if it is about work, and you are not sure about your colleagues or people you interact with, how good or bad or right or wrong they are, whether they are trustworthy or not, they will be, let's say, exposed. So a lot of people are going to be exposed. Now, you need to focus on your intuition and go within. And this is also about the moon cycle, which again says about focusing on your intuition, and also about the mother. So if your mother, just take care that she is in good health, and maybe you need to connect with her. And if you are confused, maybe you can take help from her, take advice from her. This speaks about intuition and meditating, but it also talks about hospitalization and bed rest. If you want to avoid that, it's better that you do meditation and maybe some breathing exercises that will keep you away from hospitals and doctors. It's always better. Also, don't stress yourself out too much if you're not getting enough sleep, or if you're insomniac. Do some breathing exercises before you sleep, and it will really be great help. You need to tap into your inner strength. Not only just your intuition, but also your inner strength. You need to have patience, courage, and kindness. And whatever it is that you wish for is going to come true. The 9 of Cups and the World card coming together, it's like a killer. Like there's absolutely nothing to worry about. This coming together, lottery, I don't see a pentacle card, but whatever your wishes are going to come together. Only thing, don't rush. Be practical. Do some grounding exercises that I just did yesterday. On the eclipse day, I did some grounding. You can see the last 20 minutes of that. If you're on Instagram, you can see the grounding video has been uploaded separately. It's going to be very important for you to tap into your intuition and also manifest your wishes. So when it says the moon, so it seems the moon is going to be important for a lot of signs, because it's been coming up a lot. So next year the moon is going to be important. The moon cycle is going to be important, and it may have to do with the eclipse that will come back in June. Okay, so now the Archangel Michael Oracle cards that I picked up says that you are on the right path. No wonder all your wishes are coming true. So you are on the right path. So be confident, have faith, and leave no room for doubt and fear, because that is what messes up your manifesting cycle. You have created the situation and you have the power to change it. What did I say? Faith and belief, staunch faith is what you need. Fear and doubt will only come in the way of you manifesting miracles. If there is something that has gone wrong, understand that maybe you did something and you can always correct it. Try. I'm sure you can. Archangel Michael is with you, and you and your loved ones are safe. If you're worrying about your family, you're worried about your social media, you're worried about your finances, your home, and everything. If you're worried about natural calamities, I see fire. If you're worried about natural calamities, cyclones and things like that, then you and your family is safe. There's nothing to worry about. That is what is Archangel Michael's guidance. Meanwhile, if you wish to get a reading done, you know exactly where to get in touch with me. WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, or rather, let's say Telegram or WhatsApp is a better option. That way you're directly in touch with me. There's no medium between us. And my Telegram ID is Guinea Asia 11. I also have a group where sometimes I put up things and people also discuss in case they have doubts, which is called Numerology and Tarot Guidance. So you're always free to get in touch with me if you wish for a personal appointment. Meanwhile, take care of yourself. All the best. Good luck. Good.